Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today we've got the Reate Tribute here with us for a quick maintenance video. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. So let's do it, and let's see. We have an interesting front flipper from Reate, which is gonna need a T8 yeah, for everything. So let's start by just removing these pretty cool carbon fiber scales without losing any screw. And you're gonna need a T8 just to remove these screws over here, which are basically just holding together these carbon fiber scales. And then you can just change your bit into a T6 and approach the two screws that are on the inside of the handle, and just get rid of these two like so. And then you can do the pivot with a T8 back again like that. Nice and tiny little pivot going on over here. You've got a nice pivot collar, and let's see, boom, this just pops open by itself, I think. Let's see. What are we missing? Let's just be, this is always a phase you want to be delicate and not rub any part of the blade up against the why this is not coming apart. Let's see. Oh, there's just a pin on the inside. So nicely done, actually. The bolster is screwed in from the inside, so hidden screw for it. Really, really cool. Then you got internal stop pin, ceramic ball bearing, ceramic detent, which is flat. It should be able to improve a little bit the action on this guy. So let's just pop that out and clean out the track for the bearings and the tang of the blade. And let's just clean up these bearings over here, and we can push the pivot out like so, and the bearing also is out. Nice to see the ceramic, nice to see the pivot collar right over here. It's a nice touch. And of course it's nice to see, but we see these nowadays, we see it more and more, the washers to reduce the wear of ceramic up against the titanium liner. So very, very good indeed. Reate is killing it on this one. First time they use zirc, actually, so it's a good thing. And basically we are good to go, guys. So very, very simple process. So the pivot can go back, the bearings also can go right there back. Then we can use a little bit of 10 weight nano oil for the bearing, and we're gonna use like 1 and 2 drops like so, and just a very, very minuscule amount of heavier weight nano oil for the detent ball. And then we are basically ready to take the blade back like so. That's pretty much aligned. Stop pin is in, bearing is in, a little bit of 10 weight nano oil also in, and we can just go back and align the scale like so. And we're gonna need a T6 because we're gonna go in reverse, and I always try to keep these screws aligned, so I know which one goes where. So I know that this is the set that goes on the handle on the inside, because it's a layer below this layer here, which is the one with the screws that are going on the outside. So like so, and that is in like done. and the next one also is in, like so, and this is also in, nice and flush. And here we can just go like this for the pivot screw. We check for everything to be tight and flush. We didn't touch anything on this side, so it should be good to go. Let's just rub a little bit of this, nice. Very good action. Everything is nice and flush. Blade is perfectly centered. I think maybe we can just do that. Let's see. There's no blade play. Action is actually pretty good. Drop shot. There's no guillotine effect. But just a little wiggle. Nice and smooth, guys. I like this little fella. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.